Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you can act across both platforms. Sign in to the Google account that manages the business or invite the ad's admin email to GMB and grant owner or manager access. Once done, confirm the GMB location is verified and public so ads can read it. Then open Google Ads, check you have administrative access and an active billing profile, and copy the customer ID. These steps remove permission roadblocks and let you link immediately without repeated requests. Now connect the accounts inside Google Ads. Go to Tools and Settings, then Setup, then Linked Accounts, and locate the Google My Business entry. Click Link, choose the Google account or GMB account you want, and select specific locations or the entire account to share. Make sure you pick the correct business locations if multiple exist. Send the link request. Google My Business will receive it. This creates the association, so location extensions and location-based assets can populate your ads automatically. Finish by approving the link from the Google My Business side. Open GMB, check notifications or users, and accept the request. Once approved, return to Google Ads and enable location extensions or create a local campaign to confirm locations appear. Run a small, low-budget test ad to verify clicks show your business address. If something fails, check you have owner/manager roles, that the business names and addresses match exactly, and that the GMB listing is verified. These are the most common blockers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.